Now I will not only tell you about the new launch product, this is NY Bay Shimmer Blush, but I will also compare it with their previous launch, that is NY Bay Sunset Skyline Blush. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now today the product which I am going to talk with you is a new launch product. It is basically a shimmer blush. It is from NY Bay. I'll tell you each and everything about the product, all the details, demo, review as well as everything. But before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. Hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Now I will not only tell you about the new launch product, this is NY Bay Shimmer Blush, but I will also compare it with their previous launch, that is NY Bay Sunset Skyline Blush. This is the new launch blush and this is their previous launch. So I will be comparing both the blushes together, not basically the shade wise, because I guess the shade what I have ordered in this I do not have in that previous launch, and that is why I have ordered a different shade. Otherwise same shade ordering doesn't make any sense, right? Now let's begin with the video. But yeah, before moving ahead, I'll tell you what am I having right now on my lips. It is from NY Bay Lip and Cheek Tint. It is in the shade 05 Maroon Lily. You can see. And I have a full review video for this lip and cheek tints. If at all possible, I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. So if at all you have not watched that video and you want to watch, you can go ahead and definitely watch. After watching this, you can go ahead and you can watch that video as well. Now let's begin with today's video. It is the product which I'm going to say, as I told you, it is NY Bay Shimmer Blush. That is what the name of the blush is. First we'll talk about the outer packaging. It comes in this kind of shimmery, not exactly shimmery, you can say glossy peach kind of a packaging, and it says NY Bay Shimmer Blush on the front, right? On the two sides they don't have anything, and on the top part they have the shade number. The shade which I have is Peach Magic 03 and it contains 4 gram. That is what is mentioned over here with the sticker. Okay, and on the back side it says all the key features of this particular blush. I'll tell you the key features. It is a shimmer blush. It is lightweight, super pigmented, blendable and enriched with vitamin E and oils. That are the key features of this particular product is given over here. It is made in India product. First, very important thing, this is made in India product. So definitely if you are a person who wishes to buy the products which are manufactured in India, go ahead and you can buy. If at all you like the shade, if at all you like the finish, you can go ahead and you can buy. Ingredients they have clearly given, how to use they have given you, manufactured and everything they have given you. Now manufactured is 0322. As I told you, this is recent manufacture. It is good to use till 8/24. So you can say almost 2 years and 6 months of shelf life you are going to get. The MRP of this particular product is 289 rupees, and as I told you, it contains 4 gram of product. Yes, so this is the basically the outer packaging and everything. Now we'll talk about the inner packaging. The inner packaging is a transparent lid, so you can make out the shade. Suppose if you have more than one blush, you can make out the shade from the top part itself, since it is a transparent packaging. It says NY Bay Shimmer Blush, you can see. Okay, and on the back side it says NY Bay Shimmer Blush, marketed by, the batch number and everything, the manufacturer and everything, the date and all. One second, refer to the outer carton. Yes, the manufacturer, the expiry, if you want to see, they have not given you on this. They say refer to the outer carton, that means refer to this. They have not specified in this. So if at all you want to throw away this packaging, then you need to make a tag or something. Then if at all you are a person who wants to have the details, then you need to make a tag, right? Now this is basically the particular outer packaging and inner packaging. Now I'll show you the shade close by. This is the shade what you are going to get in the Peach Magic blush, right? Now I'll show you the hand swatch. This is powdery, so this is the hand swatch of the blush. Basically it is not a shimmer blush, it is kind of giving me a satin effect, not, it doesn't have any glitters, you can, I mean to say, not that chunky glitters or something when you have some kind of glitters in blushes. This doesn't have, it is kind of a satin blush. Now what I'll do is I'll just take my blush applicator and I will dip the brush and I will apply it on my cheeks. I'm not sure about the pigmentation and all, of course from the swatch I can say it is pigmented, so I'll just take little bit. Yes, it is heavily pigmented, you can see I have just dipped the brush 2 times, you can see. So while applying you have to be very careful. Now if at all you feel I have applied too much or something, you can take your beauty blender and just dab that, you know. I do every time because I don't like that super pigmented or super cheeky cheeks. I don't like that kind of look. Now what we will do, we will just compare overall. On my left I have the new one and on my right I have the old one. I'll just tell you, this particular old one contains, I have my notes over here, this particular contains 5 grams, this contains 4 grams, so 1 gram less. This retails for 230 rupees, this retails for 289 rupees. In this they have 7 shades altogether, in this they have come up right now with 4 shades, right? In this the manufactured and expiry, total shelf life if you calculate, you are going to get 3 years. In this you are going to get almost 2 years 6 months, so 6 months less. 6 months less. MRP is little more expensive, you can say around 50-59 rupees more. 1 gram you are going to get less. Now I'll just tell you the packaging. In this particular, it comes in this kind of black packaging with this kind of foam inside. Okay, and this particular comes with this kind of a peachy shimmery packaging and with this kind of packaging from inside. So there is a difference between packaging, but there is a difference between cost, there is a difference between the net content as well. Now if you ask me my final thought whether, and I'll just show you the shades also, if at all you wonder, I'll tell you which shades I have. In this particular one I have is Coral Sunset, this is the Coral Sunset, and the other one is, I don't remember basically the shades, Celestial Pink. So this is Coral Sunset, this is Celestial Pink, Coral Sunset, Celestial Pink, and in this I have Peach Magic. Thank God I have ordered different, otherwise you can see. If you want to have a comparison of the shades, this is the new launch and this is their previous launch. One is Coral Sunset and one is I don't remember, Celestial Pink. Okay, and this Peach Magic. So these are basically the shades and all. Now if you will ask me my final thought for these blushes, then I will say, if you are a person who is using blushes and all frequently and if you want to have some variety, then yes, you can go ahead and you can buy this particular product, because now you will say this is a shimmer blush and this is not. No, then even in this also, if you can see closely, both is having similar kind of effect, the shiny, the satin effect, both the blushes are having. So even this one is not a matte blush as far as the shade which I have. So was there any requirement for this particular blush? As far as my knowledge, no, because they already have the blushes which has a shimmer or maybe you can say satin effect and all. There was no need, but they still have come up with a new range and all. Of course we appreciate the shades and all, and if at all you have not got your hands on that particular previous launch and you wanted the shade which is having in this particular new launch, go ahead and you can buy. Now you will ask me why I have purchased, since I have these 2 blushes, then why? Just for the review purpose, and I wanted to see what is the difference, and I wanted to get the difference for you all, and that is why I got only 1 shade. Otherwise I would have got my hands on all the 4 shades, but I never wanted. And yeah, application wise, very pigmented, highly pigmented, 1 or 2 depth only, and you can say this blush will last you a long time. 4 grams but 2 dips, you are good for the, you are done for the day for 1 cheek. So pigmentation and all is very good. So only final thing what I would like to say is, if at all you have not got your hands on previous one, go ahead and you can buy, and if at all you have got your hands on the previous one and you want to get this blush also, get some other shade, so you will have some varieties. Of course, y'all are intelligent, y'all are smart enough. Yeah, and this particular blush, I have told you each and everything, but still if you have any other request or any other questions or any other query, let me know in the comment section, or else I'll give you my Insta handle also on the screen. You can DM me on my Instagram. I'll try to fulfill your request as soon as possible. And if at all you hear some background noise, as I always say, not always say, from last few weeks you can say there is some construction work going on. It's not only at one place, there are altogether 5 different places where the construction work is going on, and my neighbor is also there, always to support me, always to give me background music. So yeah, if at all it is bothering you, then I'm extremely sorry for it. Please don't mind that all noise, just focus on the video. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.